Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to block and unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch your Messenger app on your mobile. And now to block any user, all you have to need hard press on the chat and just tap on block. Tap on block. And as you can see, this Facebook account has been successfully blocked. And now to see all of your blocked contacts or to unblock anyone, all you have to need, you can directly open the chat from your Messenger chat list and then tap on unblock. Or if you want to see all of your blocked contacts, tap on this hamburger menu, tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And here tap on blocked accounts. And here you will find all of your Facebook or Messenger blocked accounts. Now to unblock anyone, just tap on the account, tap on unblock, and the account will be unblocked. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.